Hello, good morning everyone. We are from Mona Squad. My name is Ivan Ricardo and I'm student from STI Pembangunan Tanjung Pinang, majoring in management.
My name is Hairul Kasum Gunawan and I'm student from STI Pembangunan Tanjung Pinang, majoring in management.
My name is Rolandika Afrili. I'm student from STI Pembangunan Tanjung Pinang, majoring in management.
Today I'm very pleased to present our result of our research titled Model for Enhancing HR Innovation, the Influence of Transformational Leadership, Competency Development, Organization Culture, and Employee Engagement. This study reflects our interest in how internal organization factors can drive innovation through effective human research strategies. I hope this presentation can provide valuable insight and contribute to the ongoing discussion in the field of management and business. So, the next slide is introduction. In facing the era of globalization and rapid digital transformation, organizations are required to continuously innovate, not only in product and service but also in the management of human resources. Innovation in HR management has become one of the main pillars for sustainability and competition advantage of the organization at MICE. Increasingly complex market competition, modern organizations but now realize that employees are not merely operation asset, but the main driving force in creating change and added the value. Therefore, the development of a model for enhancing HR innovation has become highly relevant for the future study. And the next slide is literature review. The literature review has 5 points, and point 1 is innovation human research, and point 2 is transformational leadership, and point 3 is competency development, and point 4 is organization culture, and point 5 is employee engagement. And the next slide is research methodology, and the research type is using quantitative, and data search is using primary data, and the sample is like 100%, and the data collection and data analysis is using questionnaire and GISP or Jasper. And the next slide is result and discussion, and this is the picture of descriptive statistic, and next is picture of person correlation, and the next slide is picture of direct effect and indirect effect, and next slide is total effect and path analysis. Next slide is R-square and path plot. In R-square, based on this research, model is very strong explaining HR innovation and employee engagement is greatly influenced by 3 independent variables. And the next is path plot. Based on figure 1, it's known that the meditation analyzing using structural equation modeling or SEM shows that competency development and organization culture have a significant direct influence on HR innovation. With the coefficient of 0.308, P less than 0.001 and 0.166, P equals 0.032 respectively. On the contrary, the direct influence of transformational leaderships on HR innovation is not significant because the coefficient equals 0.037, P equals 0.650. However, QT has a significant indirect effect on HR innovation through employee engagement with the coefficient is 0.167 and the P equals 0.003, indicating full meditation. Meanwhile, PK and BO also have significant indirect through amounting to 0.153 and P equals 0.04 and 0.261. P less than 0.01 responsivity indicating partial meditation. The part coefficient indicates states that has highly significant influence on ESDM. And next conclusion, this study concludes that transformational leadership, competency development, and organizational culture collectively have a significant impact on HR innovation, both directly and indirectly through employee engagement. Employee engagement has proven to be a strong mediating variable, explaining how the internal condition of organization can drive innovative behavior among employees. The next is suggestion. The suggestion is organizational leader are advised develop a transformational leadership style that can build inspiration, motivation, and support for innovation. Organization needed to strengthen the training competency development program based on the actual needed of the employees so that the potential for the innovation and can be maximum. So the next is answer for supporting aspect. The number one is the urgency of the study was conducted academically and practically. The answer is the research addressed a gap and the literature presenting a new integrated conceptual framework combining transformational leadership, competency development, organization culture, and employee engagement as the key factor influencing HR innovation. And the practically is offer comprehensive model that organization can adopt to enhance employee innovation, especially critical in dynamic, competitive, and digitally evolving environment. And the number two, what is the new about the research? Why this research important to be researched? And what the news is because this research presents a novel and holistic model that's integrate for critical elements. The element is transformational leadership, competency development, organization culture, and employee engagement to explain HR innovation. Why it's important? Because in face of the global competition, digital transformation, and rapid change, organization needs to continuously innovate their HR practice to remain competitive. Okay, I think that's all. Only can I explain. So thank you for your attention and thank you.